Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohan Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make SSR connection with sensor wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Three-phase energy meter, MCB circuit breaker, RCBO circuit breaker. Three-phase SSR, rotary switch, three-phase motor, neutral connection to three-phase meter, first phase connection to energy meter, second phase connection to energy meter, third phase connection to energy meter, three-phase connection into MCB from energy meter, three-phase connection outgoing from MCB to RCBO circuit breaker, three-phase connection outgoing from RCBO to connect three-phase SSR, phase connection to rotary switch, phase connection outgoing from rotary switch to connect three-phase SSR, three-phase connection outgoing from SSR to three-phase motor, neutral connection to MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection from MCB to connect three-phase SSR. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.